Okay, I'm currently editing the video and I've realized that I didn't explain that well in this vlog what I was doing. So this is just the explanation that I'm gonna edit into the video. So I started off at like 4 a.m. and drove by myself to the airport to catch my 7 a.m. flight. Hey, good morning vlog. It's 4:20 in the morning, blaze it. I'm on my way to the airport. I gotta walk all the way out to my car first from my sister's apartment. I got about an hour and a half of sleep maybe. Let's get this bread. Sorry that the lighting is horrible, but it's 4:25 in the morning. What am I supposed to do? I'm currently on a quest to find somewhere to get food. I'm probably gonna have to stop at Buc-ee's. They just built a new one where I live. So, I've literally never seen gas prices this low in 2 years. Let's get this bread. Just copped some $1.99 coffee. Super good, pre-flavored, and actually delicious. So shout out to Buc-ee's, you're the real MVP. Happy Thanksgiving. And I finally got to Michigan. I was so exhausted from only having an hour of sleep that I slept for 5 hours, and it was Thanksgiving. I did not get ready in any way. We ended up catering food from some place in Michigan that just sends you the food. Most of it's cooked, but you cook some of it, like the turkey and stuff. So we did that.
That is impressive, Dad. I can't lift my leg that high.
I should have been able to do it a little bit faster.
Then we went to visit my grandma, and that was really awesome. I hadn't seen her in a long time. Then after we visited my grandma, we ended up going Black Friday shopping. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going Black Friday shopping on Thanksgiving.
What are we doing out here?
In 30 degrees.
In Michigan.
Freezing.
Woo.
It's freezing.
Hoping to find some good deals and steals.
Yeah, there we go. Deals and steals. Here we go.
It's cold.
Okay.
I'm glad I got your nice bald head in the shot.
Am I in the picture?
Just want to share the true moments of Black Friday. Also, he's so confused.
Do it.
She's got to document the line.
Huh?
I got like 2 sweaters from Forever 21 and I got like a bra at Target. I didn't get that much. I didn't have a lot of money either, but the lines were literally insane for Black Friday. The next day, my mom and my stepdad visited my grandma and I stayed home with my grandpa. And then we went and visited her later in the day. Hey Rachel, wave because I'm vlogging.
Wait. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Daddy.
Happy birthday
to you.
Thank you.
And many more.
Well, I like the thought, but I don't know if I could live through it.
Then on Saturday, I went and visited my grandma in the morning, and then I visited her again at night. That was pretty much it. We went home and played cards with my grandpa as well.
What are you doing? Oh, you got me on Snapchat.
Does it look good?
Huh?
Does it look good?
It looks excellent. These pretzels look big better.
We're trying to vacuum seal our clothes since we went Black Friday shopping, and we accidentally bought an extra large, a large, and a jumbo vacuum seal bag. Does it fit?
No, it doesn't fit. Round and
Oh my.
rectangular. Come on.
Okay, sorry. Take 2.
You gotta start it.
Hold on. Look at this whole thing.
Oldie but a goodie. It works. Watch.
Okay. Take three.
Let's hope we don't have to go find more bags.
Oh no, I can't right now. Oh, and my flight's at 8 a.m. What does this take 4?
This is our problem. Yeah, somebody has to start the canister.
All right. Well, can you hold it?
I got it.
We made it.
Success!
She doubted me, but it's in there. So, ha.
Yeah, but I can't quite.
Oh my weenie. Let me see.
No, it's not a weenie. You're just not going to be able to zip it.
Yes, I can.
How are you going to put...
What do you mean? How am I? I'll hold it.
Jen, if it busts, it's not going to be good for you.
No negative talk. So here she goes. There's her feet. That's what she's trying to do.
And there's her face as she conquers this little issue.
And then the next morning I went up bright and early to catch my flight. So then I got back from the airport and I was supposed to go to rehearsal, but my car died. You just wanted to update you guys that my car is literally so dead. Put my keys in the ignition and nothing happens. So that's where I'm at right now. So first a couple came and jumped my car, but they really didn't want to. They were like, yeah, we'll jump your car as long as it's quick. And so as soon as they pulled away, my car died right again after I tried to reverse. And then a couple other people, I would flag them down and they wouldn't have jumper cables, or they just would not answer when I tried to get someone to help me. So then this man ended up helping me, but it wasn't working when he tried to jump my car. And so he was basically saying that my alternator was probably dead. So I had called AAA. AAA came like 45 minutes after that. Keep in mind, I was supposed to go to rehearsal, but at this point, I was like 3 hours late to rehearsal. I'd been stranded at the airport for 2 hours by the time AAA came. So he tries and jumps my car, and it'll start, but then it dies immediately. And he's like, yeah, I'm going to have to call you a tow truck. I was like, all right, great. So then the tow truck comes and he hooks my car up, and I was like, hey, can you drop the car off at my house and take me to this place for my rehearsal? And he was like, yeah, I can do that. And I was like, awesome. So then we're leaving, and I paid for my parking at the airport through my toll tag. And he goes through the wrong lane, and he was supposed to go through the cash only lane as a tow truck, but didn't. So then we held up the toll line for so long, and then they told me I owed like $70 for my parking, and I was like, I prepaid, like I promised, and I had to show them my receipt, and they were very rude, and we were waiting for like 15 minutes at this toll place. And keep in mind, I had been up since 6 a.m. but 5 a.m. Texas time, and I was literally so exhausted, had not eaten anything but a granola bar, and it was like 3 p.m. at this time, maybe 4, and then I still had to go to rehearsal. So he dropped me off at my rehearsal, and I ended up going to rehearsal. My friends picked me up afterwards because I didn't have a car. And then the next day, this guy that my sister knew came over that works at a car place, and he looked at my car and said my alternator was dead. And so I had to get a new alternator. He put it in for me. Now my car is up and running, but that's pretty much my trip to Michigan. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Right now I'm doing Vlogmas. The vlogs will be uploaded after this video. I'm doing weekly Vlogmas vlogs because it's just a little too hard for me to edit them every single day, because I'm trying to still have my sanity and have good grades and have a social life. So that's what I'm doing. Sorry I didn't upload in November. I've had so many things filmed and just never got around to uploading them. I'm sorry. I'm literally the worst. But give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I'll see you in my next one, which is a Vlogmas.